What is really unique and special about Five Points culture is the fact that this is a family business.
We've been a part of the community for a long time, and so we try to create that family feel so that we're all working together toward one goal. If someone needs help, someone's always there to jump in.
Everybody really genuinely cares about each other, and not only internally, but we care about our customers too. And that's really, really part of our culture and something that I really strive for.
What drew me to roofing was the ability to help someone navigate a complicated situation. We know the ins and outs of pretty much every type of construction project, and bring that expertise to our homeowners and to our builder clients that we work for.
Whatever I would do on my personal house is what I want done on any customer's house.
We take a lot of pride in our work and who we hire, who we set out there into the job sites, our crews, our equipment, our trucks, the way we present ourselves. It's a standard that's been held ever since day one I've been here.
I enjoy or love working here because here again, it's part of the family business.
I know that what I do is important in terms of contributing to the bottom line, and it's important to me to feel like I'm making, that I'm adding value and I'm making a contribution.
Treated fairly, you're respected, and that's really all you can ask anyone for.
It's a great place.